Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 63 plate Skoda Octavia Elegance. This is the 1.4 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in candy white, and it's covered just 51,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this tremendous looking Skoda Octavia Elegance, one of the very high spec models. And this has got quite a few added options as well. 2014, January 2014 registered. Just 51,000 miles. It has had only the one private owner from brand new. A one-owner vehicle. And it comes supplied with a full Skoda main dealer service history. 11 services, all carried out at Skoda every year from new right the way through its life. So in terms of ownership and history, it is absolutely as good as it gets. Very hard to find, and we do search high and low to find vehicles like this, it has to be said. Lovely example. It's got these wonderful 17-inch alloy wheels with matching Pirelli tyres all the way around, very recent Pirellis as well. We've also just replaced the alloy wheel centre caps with brand new genuine Skoda centre caps. Condition wise, it's absolutely lovely. 140 brake horsepower from that 1.4 turbocharged petrol engine. It's £160 a year to tax. 6-speed manual gearbox. Sensible insurance group. Just ticks an awful lot of boxes if you're looking for a largish hatchback. As we have a look inside, we've got these lovely leather and Alcantara seats. They're in fantastic condition as well. Leather centre armrest. Manual handbrake. Really good condition, all the door cards. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable, heated and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights, 2 keys, up onto the steering wheel, which is again in really good shape. You've got controls for your trip computer, you've got your Bluetooth controls, you've got your radio controls, you've got cruise control just behind as well. Down below we've got your mileage there, 51,207. A couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, 12-volt socket, 6-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And then down below we've got a couple of different driving modes, start-stop facility which you can switch off. Obviously some storage, auxiliary and a USB. And then we'll start the car up and I'll show you the infotainment. So we've got dual zone climate control, and then up above we've got this nice touchscreen display. So we've got satellite navigation, which is built in, and it knows where we are, which is nice. You've got all your car settings, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone. We've also got DAB digital radio as well, so it's a lovely setup. I had an Octavia for a long time myself, so I do very much like them. We've also got this electric glass roof, so you've got a blind that you can pull over, and it's electronically opening as well using the controls just up here. So that was an expensive added option, and looks the part as well. Obviously you've got that 5-door practicality, carpet mats in the back, electric windows in the rear. You've got 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats, again in lovely condition. You've got a centre armrest that folds down with a couple of cup holders as well. And then round to the back of the car, parking sensors across the rear bumper, and then into the boot spaces, which is where these Octavias really come into their own. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats. You've got a little ski cubby hole. You've got cubby holes on either side with a 12-volt socket, and then the boot space is obviously absolutely massive. I had 3 sets of golf clubs in mine, no problem at all. And the luxury on this one of a spare wheel with a Michelin tyre at the back. So there we have it. Special car, this one, to be honest. January 2014 registered. 51,000 miles from one owner with a comprehensive Skoda main dealer service history right the way through its life. Lovely spec with the electric roof, satellite navigation, half leather, cruise control and so on. Finance is available from less than £170 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with an advisory-free MOT until January of 2026, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointments-only basis, so if you would like to come in view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Not the cheapest in the world, but the service history and the ownership, I think, warrants the price. And I think it'll be a popular car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.